Want to become a product manager in 2025? Don't waste your time in doing random stuff. Just simply follow this 60 days proven roadmap. I've already helped hundreds of aspiring product managers get into this product management role using this exact system. So let's break it down in this particular video. In week 1 and 2, focus on your positioning and prototyping. First of all, get a clarity on that where you are a right fit in this product management role, in which type of the industry, which type of the company, which type of PM role is best suited for you, which role of a product manager is best suited for you. Then start creating some working prototypes using tools like Jira, which will give you a lot of hands-on experience in creating the working prototypes, and because that will also help you in doing a better feature planning as well. In week 3 and 4, focus on building your product foundation plus your LinkedIn branding. So for your product foundation, start creating some product case studies. So I will recommend you to create 2 to 4 product case studies or product tear downs, and also write down 2 to 3 PRDs as well for the same ideas. This will help you in building a strong product foundation, and also start building your network and your branding over the LinkedIn. Basically, for that, start connecting with the PMs and the recruiters in your target companies. And also, what you can start doing, you can start sharing some insightful posts to product management on your LinkedIn. In week 5 and 6, work on real product building. So basically, pick up one idea and start building a product from scratch, right from the ideation to its launch. And no-code tools will help you a lot, because using these no-code tools, you can launch the MVP version of your product in just a few hours of your time. And also ensure that you will get some real customers using your product as well, because when you will showcase that into the hiring manager that yes, you have built this product and these are the people who are using it, it will put you and your portfolio in the top 5% portfolios out there. In week 7 and 8, work on your interview preparation and resume building. So for that, start preparing for the take home assignments or the case studies that you get generally in the product interviews. You can also start practicing for the product design, product sense, for the product strategy questions, the root cause analysis questions, the favorite product questions. Start preparing for that. And also this is the high time that you should update your resume, showcasing that yes, you are someone who is transitioning to this product management role. And don't forget to apply in the companies using a personalized resume according to that particular company wherever you are applying. That's all for this video. For more updates on product management, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need my help in becoming a product manager, book a one-on-one demo call. The link to apply for that is in the description. So click on that and book a one-on-one demo call with us, where we will showcase you that how we can help you land a product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way possible.